Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got a super greens mix to share with you that was sent to me as a gift, and I'm really excited to test this out. So this is their tropical splash flavor. This is a mix of super greens, antioxidants, and a little caffeine, natural caffeine, to give you a little pep and a little bit of energy in your day. So let's test this out. So instructions are to mix 1 scoop into about 8 to 12 ounces of water. And if you've got a shaker bottle, you can mix it up in there. We're going to use a little milk frother in my cup and mix it up that way. Oh, it smells great. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is really refreshing. So good. Very smooth. This is, I really like that flavor. Definitely the tropical splash. Like, that is a great description for how this tastes. It doesn't taste like yucky greens or anything. Now, this is sweetened with sucralose, so just keep that in mind if that's a deal breaker for you, because I know some people don't love that as an ingredient. Some people are fine with it, but it's a very minimal thing. Like, it's not overly sweet, but it definitely is on the sweet side, but it tastes phenomenal. Loving this. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Cheers.